Familiarize yourself with the 2012 Infiniti QX56. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Infiniti prioritized handling and performance with features such as leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, automatic dimming door mirrors, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Infiniti also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.